everyone, how are you all? I'm not gonna ask you you're fit and fine or not. I'll just ask you, are you happy? If you're happy, you're fit, in my opinion. That's what I feel. Okay. So today I'm gonna ask you something. Today I'm gonna tell you something about an online teaching platform. Okay, so if you are willing to teach online and wherein you don't want to travel to some institute or some place or to some organization and waste your time there, instead of that you want to earn sitting at home teaching students online, so this video is gonna be for you. So you must watch it till the end so that nothing is missed out. Okay, if and this so the name of the platform is whitehatjunior.com. You might have heard about it, I'm sure. And here you are supposed to teach coding to the students and using the coding, generating the apps. All right. So you are supposed to teach the coding to the students, and they are the paid students. They are gonna register and they're gonna pay for that. So uh, you're gonna be teaching them online. That would be coding, and it's not that you have to be already proficient with coding. Okay, it's not compulsory, because you can if you are proficient, if you just apply there, and once you clear the things, clear the demo rounds, they are gonna train you for that. Okay, so it's not compulsory that you are supposed to be very proficient with this coding, right? Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you, before you apply for it, I'd like to tell you a few things. So just get to know these things, then you decide whether you have to apply or not, because some of the times we don't know the things and we just get into something, and from that time we waste our so much of time and energy, and then we realize, okay, this thing was not for me. So before such situation may get created, just get to know about these things, and then you can decide whether you have to continue with this or not, right? Okay, then let's get started. Okay, so this is an online platform, as I told, called whitehatjunior.com. All right, so to apply, and here, as I told you, you are supposed to teach coding to the students. Okay, and the age group of those students is going to be 6 to 12 years. All right, so for this, what the eligibility criteria is to apply for it, to apply or to become a teacher with whitehatjunior.com, you need to be at least a graduate. Okay, you need to have the degree of graduation, and you have to be fluent with English. You need to have a good communication skills. You need to be fluent in English, right? All right. Okay, so next step is, I'll just tell you, you have to go to their website. Okay, you have to register yourself there. Okay, and you have to upload your resume there, and once you're done with that, they're gonna call you or email you, and they'll be scheduling a telephonic interview. Okay, a telephonic interview with you, and during that interview you are going to be asked some general questions like what's your qualification, these things, like if you have any work experience or anything you know about coding. They're just going to ask you about all these things. Okay, and once your telephonic is cleared, and they also check your fluency in English, of course, during that uh, round. All right, so next is, they are gonna once you're done with the this round, you are supposed to go for 3 demo rounds. Okay, so in these demo rounds, you are supposed to first interact with the general staff, and you just have to give a demo how you're going to teach student, how you're going to engage the student, and all that. Okay, so you have there are going to be, and they'll also be providing they will be providing you the PDFs also. Okay, so we just have to retro that PDF, and accordingly you have to uh, go for the demo classes, right? So the first demo is going to be with the general staff. Okay, and second jo demo round hoga, that would be with the manager. Okay, senior manager, and the third round is going to be with the director of the company. Okay, so that's the thing, that is the initial things. Okay, and once you clear everything, and they appoint you there. So what they're going to do is, first of all, you are they have few conditions also. Okay, so that's what I told you, that you must know about the conditions, so that you can decide whether you have to continue with that, or you just don't you're not comfortable whatsoever. Okay, so the conditions are, you have to give 4 to 5 hours a day. Okay, 4 to 5 hours a day. If you can give, then only you should apply for it, right? And agar if you talk about a week, then you're supposed to give 30 hour a week. All right, next, in a month, if we say that criteria is 120 hours a month, you are supposed to teach there for 120 hours a month. And this is the minimum criteria, minimum hours which you have to spend teaching. All right, so this is the basic thing which you must know. Okay, so once you're done and you agree to all this, and you're also appointed there, okay, you start teaching. So they're gonna there's gonna be a trial period. Okay, उस ट्रायल पीरियड में देल भी, क्योंकि आपने देखा होगा कि आजकल प्रमोशन भी हो रहा है काफ़ी, जिसमें कि दे आर टेलिंग स्टूडेंट्स की दैट यू कैन हैव ट्रायल क्लासेस विद आवर टीचर्स। तो वो ट्रायल क्लासेस जो होती हैं वो आपकी ही होती हैं, एंड यू आर देन रेफर्ड टू दोज स्टूडेंट्स, एंड इफ़ उसकी बेसिस पे आपका रिव्यू होता है, एंड once you get good reviews, you are permanently appointed there as a teacher. Okay, all right, coding expert, correct? I hope it is clear, right? Next is then after, okay, one more important thing which I'm gonna tell you, कि those students, because they are getting free trial classes and you are the one providing those classes, it's not that you're not gonna get anything for that, or it is gonna be free, that you are teaching them freely. There's nothing like that. You will be paid, though the payment is not really good, but initially they are going to pay you 50 rupees for an hour. Okay, this is what they're going to pay you. Okay, so once you clear everything, you're done and you are permanently appointed there, then the amount is increasing, gets increased to 275 rupees per hour, right, which is much better. Okay, but first you have to be permanent there. All right, so, and one more important thing which is extremely important to know is, if you are applying for it, okay, not applied, sorry, if you have allotted some class or some time to the student, that this is the time I'm gonna take your class, and somehow you got something urgent to do, or somehow you are not able to attend that, not able to take that class, so you will be penalized. You're gonna be penalized for that, and they're gonna for penalty they are supposed to deduct 500 rupees. Okay, so much more than you earn they are gonna deduct for a class. Okay, this is what the penalty is. All right, so this is something which you must know. And that 1 hour class, there is of course gonna be 1 hour class, and in that 1 hour class 45 minutes you have to teach the student, and those 15 minutes you're supposed to engage the student. Okay, wherein you are just asking about the hobbies of the student. You're just trying to engage the students, and just making them feel comfortable with you. Okay, with some activities. So 15 minutes you have to give that to that, and 45 minutes are considered your teaching. All right, okay. So, and one more important thing, suppose somehow what happened, you are ready to take the class, you have allotted time to the student, that this is the time I'm going to take your next class, I'm going to take your class, and somehow student is not available. So for that, no deduction is going to be there. They're going to give you 1 hour payment for sure. Okay, that is a good thing, right? So this is something I wanted to tell you, and if there is any query, please tell me. I would love to tell you. Thank you, bye bye, ta-ta, take care.